The next task involved in step 5 of the IRP is to develop adequacy in disciplinary methods. Developing adequacy here means understanding and evaluating the methods used to produce an insight. Disciplinary methods are the procedures, the processes, the techniques used by disciplinarians to conduct their research. The word method implies order and logic. Compared to personal experiences, intuition, and folk wisdom, yes, research methods tend to be more orderly and more logical. They also vary quite a bit in their other features. Table 6.7 attempts to categorize the strengths and limitations of several different types of commonly used methods. Each row represents a criterion, a standard that we might use to assess the methods. In addition, disciplines vary in their preferred methods. The natural sciences, for example, prefer quantitative methods, such as experiments, mathematical models, statistical analyses. The social sciences, like psychology and sociology, use both quantitative and qualitative methods, such as experiments, interviews, surveys, and triangulation. The humanities prefer qualitative methods, such as textual analysis, the study of symbols, cultural analysis, and sometimes classification.